You've probably heard people talk about credit repair and credit building like they're the same thing. But while both involve improving your credit, they work in very different ways, and understanding those differences could save you time, money, and frustration. Let's break it down. What is credit repair? Credit repair is the process of fixing errors or inaccuracies on your credit reports. These errors might include incorrect late payments, accounts that don't belong to you, or old debts that should have fallen off your credit report. Credit repair organizations provide services that can help you get these items removed from your credit report by working with the credit reporting agencies and the creditor. They typically charge a fee for the service, which can depend on the company and which services you need. However, there are plenty of ways to rebuild your credit yourself at no cost. If you want to avoid a paid credit repair service, you can address any inaccurate information on your accounts yourself by disputing them with the credit reporting agencies and the creditor. You cannot remove any negative information on your credit report that is accurate and current, and neither can a credit repair company. Credit repair services, what to watch for. Reputable credit repair companies can help you remove negative information from your credit reports. It's not a guarantee though, and anything a credit repair company can do legally, you should be able to do yourself for free or with little cost. Per the FTC, it is illegal for credit repair services to charge you before helping you, or to lie about what they can do for you. They also have to explain your legal rights to you in a written contract which includes the following details: the services they will perform for you, how long it will take to get results, the total cost you will pay for their service, any results that they guarantee, your 3-day right to cancel without any charge, including a written cancellation form. What is credit building? While credit repair goes back and removes inaccurate items from your credit history, credit building focuses on adding new, positive information to your credit report. The process of building credit begins with finding out where you stand. Start by reviewing your credit score and credit report. You can get a copy of your credit report from one or more of the major credit reporting agencies. You can get a free copy every week from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion through annualcreditreport.com. Once you have the information you need, review your credit report to spot areas where you can improve. You may want to focus on the factors that affect your FICO credit score, which include payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. Once you've identified the areas of your credit you need to work on, you can take steps to work towards your credit score goals. These steps can include making on-time payments, spending below your credit limit, and maintaining a healthy mix of credit accounts. You could also consider options like getting a credit builder loan or a secured credit card. Just make sure that you're only using credit building products you can manage responsibly. How to use credit repair and credit building together. Depending on your situation, you could use either credit repair, credit building, or a combination of the two to build your credit score. As you look through your credit report, keep an eye out for any accounts you don't recognize. When in doubt, ask your lender first. If you find inaccurate information on your credit report, consider addressing it yourself first through the credit bureau dispute process and by contacting the creditor. Once you file a dispute with one of the 3 national credit bureaus, this will trigger an investigation process mandated by the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The FCRA requires credit bureaus to complete dispute investigations within 30 to 45 days. Credit bureaus must investigate and resolve disputes within 30 days of receiving them. But if you submit additional information on your dispute during the 30-day window, the credit bureau may take up to a total of 45 days to complete its investigation. When it comes to credit, there aren't any quick fixes. Both rebuilding your credit and repairing credit can take time. As you look for ways to rebuild your credit, it's important to consider all of your options to find the path that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and head over to self.inc for more tips.